In this tutorial, we'll be discussing QuickSwitch links and what they're used for. Simply head over to your Switch Link control panel and click on the QuickSwitch Links button. This is going to open up a pop-up window which enables you to enter as many different redirect URLs as you like for your static short link. This is useful for affiliate marketers that want to promote a product, and if they're unlucky enough to have the product that they're promoting stop the affiliate commissions, it's really simple just to switch to a new product and not lose any of the traffic from any blog posts or social media posts that they've made. Let's have a look at how this works. We would simply enter in the product name. Let's call this product 1. And the redirect URL, this would be essentially, if you're working as an affiliate marketer, would be the affiliate link that you're provided with. Let's just say it was https clickbank.com/product1. If we save this QuickSwitch link, you'll see that it appears down here in your QuickSwitch links. By simply clicking on that button, that will automatically change the redirect URL for your static short link. So if we copy that short link out and paste that into a browser, there probably won't be a product under it because it's a QuickSwitch links, but you can see the URL product 1. So if we go back here, we can then enter in product 2, and the URL we would put as let's go for https clickbank.com/product2. We'll save the switch link and you'll see it appear down here in the list. This means you can create as many different products as you like, and you can A/B test them. So if you can create blog posts and stuff based on a specific niche. So say it was the hair care niche and you're promoting a hair care product, you can use your affiliate static, or you can use your static URL here, and that's always going to be sharing the product, the affiliate product. Now the mistake that a lot of affiliate marketers make is using the original affiliate ID, and when they're posting lots of social media or blog content out there, it's all going to this URL. Now if that affiliate product stops giving commission, which I've experienced in my time where I've made thousands of blog posts and they stop giving commission for it, they're still going to get all of that free traffic from your hard work, and there's no way of you undoing that apart from going through every single blog post that you've made. Whereas if you're using a static short link, if we copy this now, obviously you'll see that that takes you to /product1. If I go to the QuickSwitch links, I can simply change that to a different product and that short link remains the same. So if we go back to that short link, you're going to see that it's now going to redirect to product 2. This is really useful if you're in an unlucky situation like I was and you don't really want to be giving free traffic to people who have just dropped an affiliate program. This also updates for the QR code as well, so this static QR code never changes. But that's pretty much it. That's the essential guide on creating switch links. You can create as many as you like, and it's a very useful way of managing and keeping track of your affiliate products and having the flexibility of changing the target destination as simple as a click of the button. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you've got any questions about this, please let me know in the comments.